and all. Right? Okay, other than team, floor is all yours.
Asan F5 is an F5.
F5.
Full screen आके है त्यो नै भयो हैन
Wow. यति यार यो भन्दा बढी आउँदैन यार
ल म सुरु गरिदिन्छु अब
ल ल
Hello everyone, I am Aditgiri and our group is Soul Hunters and my crewmates are me myself Aditgiri, Asan Ali, Pratap Mandal and Josan Ramali Magar. Next slide. Slide change गर्नु
ठिक छ
स्लाइड चेन्ज गरेको मेरो स्लाइड चेन्ज भयो वा यसमा
मेरोमा पनि भएको छ नि भाइ तपाईँ
हो
भयो
भयो
मेरो भएकै छैन भयो Our topic is about the initiation of the project and project planning phase presented by our group Soul Hunters. Next slide.
आयो आदत
Sir, एकछिन 1 minute wait गर्न मिल्छ म फेरि रिस्टार्ट फेरि सुरुदेखि भन्छु मेरोमा नेटै लाग्यो माथि
भिडियो अफ गरेर भन्दा नि हुन्छ होला तिमीले लो आदत
आज त भिडियो अफै छ
यार
Okay, in the meantime, does anyone have any questions while the teams get ready? Anyone? The questions भन्नाले to the team
Hello,
हैन
now I'm
question भएको छैन कसै question सोध्ने भन्ला if you have any questions to me regarding your presentation or regarding your topic your instructions के confusion छ भने सोधिहाल भाइ while the guys get technically ready behind the scene. So does anyone have anything to ask to me?
now can I continue, sir?
छैन हैन no questions. Okay, Adat, you can continue. Go ahead.
Yes, there are in order to accomplish success in project, it is very important to execute different phases of project. They are initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling and closure. And our team is going to explain about initiation and planning phase. Here we create our own project, which is called as Project Soul, and we documented its initiation and planning phase as an example. Next slide.
आयो
First of all, I'm going to talk about project initiation phase of our project, explaining it. Project initiation phase include all the steps which you must take before a project is approved and any planning begins. Which the project initiation phase includes project charter, defining scope, identifying project objectives, choosing the right stakeholder, and set expectation. These all first needed to be included while creating a project initiation. Next slide. I'm going to explain about how to create a project charter, and about it. After the project get approved, at first project need to be approved, and after it's get approved, it is necessary to project your project initiation documents. Project, which is also called as project charter. It will state out the requirement which details the every single requires stuff like objectives, stakeholder, overall goals, etc. While creating a project charter, you need to write down all the stuff that include titles, goals, deliveries, scopes, stakeholder roles and responsibilities, milestones, budgets, constraint, assumption, dependence, and risk. Also, success measurements, ROI, which is also called as ROI, and project approval. Next slide. Here is the project charter of our project Soul. We call our project name is Project Soul, and project sponsor is our teacher Sir Saroj sir, and project manager me myself Adagiri. Date of approval, it get approved on 1st December 2020, and its last revision date is 15 December 2020. Project description. This project is about to introduce a new Android RPG game in order to ensure it get popular within its release month. Scopes. Player can install this game in any platform in any low-end devices. Player can play both offline and online mode. Player can enjoy more than 100 plus levels of business case. In order to increase its popularity, we decided to make the ads and deploy it in YouTube and some famous website. We also made 50% discount to sales within its release month in every stops in shop. Constant time. It needs 6 months to develop this game. Budget. Which budgets we collect the budgets that needed to be easily supplied by estimated equipments can be supplied easily within our budgets. Scopes is flexible. Quality, low in device can even play this game smoothly and with satisfaction sensitivity. Next slide. Project deliverables. Ads are deployed and off-sale discount events within its release month. Benefits. Player get satisfaction while playing these games. Our games download baseline will be 1 million download and goal will be 10 million plus downloads. Player money investment. We suggest that the baseline will be $100K and the goals will be more than $500K. Player rating 4 out of 5 and the goals is 4.7 out of 5. Key stakeholder, we decided to provide the key stakeholders later. Risk, our development team is still not a professional programmer. There may be lots of bugs and error occurs. Next slide. Now I'm going to handle it to my friend Josan Romolimagar.
Project scoping. Change the slide. Project scope is simply a work that needed to be done in order to achieve project objectives. It is the identification of project goals, deliverables, budget and schedules. There were some reasons for defining the scopes. You set clear project goals and objectives, facilitate understanding of the project, reduce some risks, manage expectation, develop quality and evaluation criteria. To define the scope of project, some of the scope are project objectives, specific goals, deliverables, required resources, budgets, and timelines. After the above scope are accomplished, then the limitation of the project need to be clarified, as well as the things that doesn't need to be included in project, which will make the clear to stakeholder as well as all the people involved in the project. Slide change. Defining objectives. It is very needed to set the goals and objectives in your project in order to avoid risks and as well as boost the project success rate. By defining the objectives, it helps to make your team stay on a track. Specific objective narrow the project. Narrow scopes save on resources, allows for measurable success. Objectives. To develop a multiplayer RPG game, player can play in both offline or in online mode. To make this game possible to run all over the world, all around the world. Levels may be some quite tricky and make needed to use different strategies. Global leaderboard is available to check out the best score in the game. Score the best score. After the game got viral, there may be even a tournament happen. I change. To make the specific goal, the smart method is one of the best method. It can be explained as denotes the specific define objectives clearly and in detail, leaving no room for interpretation. M for measurable. Identify the key performance indicator you will use to determine if you meet your objectives. It denotes attainable. Pick objectives that are reasonable for the team to successfully